Buying a brand new car at the best possible price requires a strategic approach. Here's a comprehensive guide to help you get the best deal. 1. Do your research. Start by researching different car models and their prices. Use websites like Kelley Blue Book, Edmunds, and TrueCar to get an idea of the market value. Compare features, reliability, and reviews to narrow down your choices. 2. Set your budget. Determine how much you can afford to spend on a new car. Consider not just the purchase price, but also taxes, registration fees, insurance, and potential maintenance costs. 3. Timing is key. Timing your purchase can save you a lot of money. The best times to buy include end of the month, quarter, year. Dealers are trying to meet sales targets and may offer better deals. Holiday sales events, Memorial Day, Labor Day, Black Friday, and year-end sales events often have significant discounts. Model year-end clearance. When new models are about to arrive, dealerships offer discounts on the outgoing models. 4. Get pre-approved financing. Secure financing before you visit the dealership. Having a pre-approved loan gives you an upper hand in negotiations and helps you stick to your budget. 5. Negotiate the price. Never accept the first offer. Be prepared to negotiate. Invoice price. The dealer's cost is usually lower than the sticker price. Aim to negotiate closer to the invoice price. Trade-in. If you have a trade-in, negotiate its value separately from the car purchase. Extras and add-ons. Be cautious about add-ons and extended warranties, as they can inflate the final price. 6. Shop around. Visit multiple dealerships and get quotes. Use the quotes to leverage better deals from other dealers. Don't be afraid to walk away if the price isn't right. 7. Consider dealer incentives and rebates. Manufacturers and dealers often offer incentives and rebates. These can include cashback offers, low-interest financing, and special leasing deals. Make sure to inquire about these and factor them into your negotiations. Rate. Check for discounts. Look for additional discounts you may qualify for, such as military discounts, college graduate discounts, loyalty discounts if you already own a car from the same manufacturer, employee pricing programs. 9. Inspect the vehicle thoroughly. Before finalizing the purchase, inspect the car thoroughly. Check for any scratches, dents, or other issues. Ensure all promised features and options are included. 10. Review the final contract carefully. Read the final sales contract carefully. Make sure there are no hidden fees or unexpected charges. Ensure that all negotiated terms are included. By following these steps, you can significantly increase your chances of buying a brand new car at the cheapest price possible. Happy car hunting!